Is the Samsung Galaxy A15 the best budget phone you can buy right now? With a stunning AMOLED display, 50-megapixel camera, and a battery that lasts all day, it might just surprise you. Samsung's Galaxy A15 has quietly become one of the most talked about budget smartphones of 2024. An eye-catching AMOLED display, a massive 5,000 mAh battery, and even 5G in some variants. Sounds like a flagship in disguise. But is it really worth your time? Let's dive in and find out. The Samsung Galaxy A15 and A15 5G were officially announced on December 11th, in 2020, and launched just 5 days later on December 16th, 2023. Positioned firmly in Samsung's mid-range lineup, the A15 offers essential modern features without breaking the bank. In fact, it became the best-selling Android phone in the first half of 2024, with a staggering 17.3 million units shipped. Measuring 160.1, 76.8, there's 8.4 millimeter, and weighing around 200 grams, the A15 feels solid with a plastic build, front glass and plastic rear and frame. Its clean design features a crisp camera layout, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack for when you want wired audio. The A15 sports a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED panel with a crisp 1080x2340 FHD+ resolution, yielding roughly 396 pp. It offers a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, vibrant colors, plus up to 800 nits brightness in high brightness mode. Great for sunny screens. Samsung's Vision Booster Tech and Eye Comfort Shield enhance visibility and minimize blue light. Under the hood, two variants exist. The 4G model runs on the MediaTek Helio G99, while the 5G version upgrades to Dimensity 6100+, both built on efficient 6nm architecture. You'll find 4, 6, or 8 GB of RAM and 128 to 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, expandable via microSD up to 1 TB. It ships with Android 14 One UI 6, and Google's support roadmap promises 4 OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates. Photography comes courtesy of a 50MP main sensor wide, with autofocus paired with a 5MP ultra-wide and a 2MP macro lens, ideal for landscapes and fun close-ups. Selfies are handled by a 13MP front camera, both capable of shooting 1080p video at 30 fps. Fueling all this is a generous 1,000 mAh battery. Samsung even claims up to 2 days of typical use. It supports 25W super fast charging. Beyond specs, the A15 includes Samsung's Knox Vault for data protection, certified EAL5+, locking your pins and passwords in secure hardware. Additional software perks like Smart Switch and Quick Share make transferring data or sharing files effortless. Pros: vibrant 6.5 AMOLED with 90 Hz, huge $5,000 mAh battery with fast charging, long software support, 4 OS plus 5 years security, expandable storage, headphone jack, Knox security. Cons: mid-range performance. Dimensity 6100+ is capable, but not speedy. No charger in the box. Basic speakers and average low-light camera performance. When released, the A15 provided real value under $200 and even dropped to deals as low as £90 plus on Amazon. User feedback called it astounding value and way ahead of its price. Mobiles.co.uk also offered weeks of unlimited data contracts around £14.99 per month, making it an affordable everyday companion. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy A15 is a smart, affordable all-rounder. A bright AMOLED screen, long-lasting battery, solid software promise, and more than enough versatility for everyday users. It won't wow with top-tier speeds or premium camera output, but for anyone looking for reliable value under $200, it's a compelling pick. That's your deep dive into the Galaxy A15. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you pick 4G or 5G? Thanks for watching.